Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy quick soup. First, gather your ingredients. Think about what you have on hand, like chicken broth, some carrots, celery, and perhaps a can of beans or leftover cooked chicken. Having everything prepped before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and faster. This initial step is crucial for a truly quick meal. Next, heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add your chopped aromatics like onions and garlic and sauté until fragrant, usually for about 2 minutes. Then, toss in your other vegetables, cooking them for 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, pour in 4 to 6 cups of your preferred broth and bring it to a gentle boil. Now it's time to add your protein. If you're using cooked chicken or canned beans, add them now and let the soup simmer for about 5 minutes to heat through. This is also the perfect moment to season your soup. Add salt, pepper, and any herbs you love, like dried thyme or oregano. A little fresh lemon juice or a handful of fresh parsley can really brighten the flavors. Your easy, quick soup is ready. Carefully ladle the hot soup into bowls. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh herbs, some crunchy croutons, or a dollop of sour cream for extra richness. Serve it immediately with some crusty bread or a simple side salad for a satisfying and wholesome meal. Enjoy your delicious, homemade quick soup. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener and more. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.